Hello, is that you? I can't see you so well. You're a long way and a long time away. But I know you're there. I know that because I worked hard all my life to make sure you are there. That the railroad union was there to represent you and that your life is better than mine.
Now, you maintain that he's in Afghanistan on some unknown mission, possibly involved in terrorist activities. Let me tell you something. My son served in the U.S. Army Rangers 8 years. He made 6 deployments overseas, including 2 in Afghanistan. So if he's in Afghanistan, I'm sure he's got good reason, following some former platoon leader on some unknown mission. And for all I know, he's working for one of those private security contractors. But of course, you guys would know that. Wouldn't you think a guy could get a fresh drink? I mean, all the years I've been in the game, Red, did you talk to my bastard partner about the drinking fountain? Working on it. Son of a bitch. You know, the day that snake slithered in this ball yard was one of the darkest days of my life, Red.
In the fall of 1595, a Spanish galleon sank off the coast of what is now Marin County, California. The ship was the San Agustin, and its sinking just north of the yet-to-be-discovered San Francisco Bay is the oldest known shipwreck on the west coast of the United States. More than 70 men were stranded in an unfamiliar land when the legendary Manila galleon went down in the bay at Punta de los Reyes. With little more than the clothes on our back, I, Captain Sebastian Rodriguez Cermeño, would pilot the surviving crew more than 1,500 miles back to Mexico, using only a small sailing launch the ship carried with her for exploration, and live to tell the tale. This is the story of our journey.